Welcome back, my friends. Look at those heavy bags. Imagine carrying them everywhere, every day, for other people. You get tired, right? Today's story is about a girl named Maya. She always carries everyone's heavy bags. But today she learns a powerful lesson. Choose yourself first. Let us jump into the story. Maya's busy day. Maya is a very kind girl. She lives in a beautiful village near the ocean. Maya wants everyone to be happy. When her neighbor asks, "Maya, can you paint my house?" Maya says yes. When her friend asks, "Maya, can you carry my heavy bags?" Maya says yes. Maya helps everyone from morning to night. But at night, Maya sits in her room. She is very, very tired. She has no time to read her favorite books. She has no time to rest. She feels sad and empty inside. The mysterious compass. One evening, Maya walks past an old shop. Inside sits an old traveler named Captain Noah. Maya enters the shop. Captain Noah looks at Maya's tired face and hands her a small, shining silver object. "What is this?" Maya asks. "It is a magical compass," Captain Noah says. "It does not point north. It points to what you need most." Maya looks at the needle. The needle turns and points directly at Maya's own heart. Maya asks, "Why is it pointing at me?" The airplane secret. Captain Noah smiles and asks, "Maya, have you ever traveled on an airplane?" Maya shakes her head. "No, Captain." Captain Noah says, "Before the plane takes off, the flight attendant says something very important about the emergency oxygen mask." "What do they say?" Maya asks. Captain Noah answers softly, "Put on your mask first, before you help the person next to you." Maya looks confused. "Why? Isn't that selfish?" "No," Captain Noah explains. "If you run out of air, you pass out. Then you cannot save anyone else. To help others, you must stay strong first." The mirror of truth. Captain Noah shows Maya a big golden mirror on the wall. "Look into the mirror, Maya," Captain Noah says. "If you say yes to everyone else but no to yourself, your shadow fades away. Look." Maya looks into the glass. Her reflection looks pale, shadowy, and weak. Captain Noah hands her 3 golden cards. These are the 3 rules of the golden compass. Remember them. 3 golden rules. Maya reads the cards carefully. Rule 1, saying no is okay. When you say no to others, you say yes to your own health, peace, and rest. Rule 2, fill your own cup first. You cannot pour water from an empty cup. Do things that make your heart happy every single day. Rule 3, self-love is not selfishness. Taking care of your mind and body makes you a stronger, kinder friend to the world. The transformation. The next morning, Maya starts her day differently. She does not run out the door immediately. First, she drinks her warm tea. She reads 1 chapter of her book. Her reflection in the mirror turns bright and full of life. Her neighbor comes to her door. "Maya, can you help me build my fence this morning?" Maya smiles warmly and says, "I can help you at 2 p.m. "But this morning is my rest time." The neighbor smiles and says, "Thank you, Maya. See you at 2 p.m. Nobody is angry with her. Maya realizes that people respect your boundaries when you respect yourself. Conclusion. Maya carries her silver compass every day, but now she knows the real secret. Choose yourself first. When you take care of yourself, you shine brighter, love deeper, and live better. How do you take care of yourself today? Which rule do you like best? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning English with simple stories. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.